Hi, I'm Lewis Bailey, personal trainer and founder of the Fit Body Code. Over the past 20 years of training busy executives and professionals, I've found there's 3 key areas that they are all struggling with. So the typical struggle points is that they are tired and stressed, they also lack physical fitness and strength, but also they struggle with time to be able to fit a healthy lifestyle within their day-to-day lives. The reason why a traditional program won't work is because it's not going to address your mindset, identity, your habits and behaviors, but also your lifestyle framework. So this is why I created the 12-week Fit Body Code Body Transformation Program. The Fit Body Code is less like a program and more like a system. The Fit Body Code program combines 5 key elements of body transformation. That is mindset, fitness, functional strength, nutrition, and lifestyle, all combined in one program. So principle number 1 is mindset. Inside the mindset module, we take a good look at your identity, your habits, and your behaviors. The thing that you need to think about is that you can't be the person that you are now today and act that way if you're looking to make a complete body transformation. You have to think about the person who you want to become and start to think like them, act like them, and behave like them. Principle number 2 is cardiovascular fitness. As we know, this is the efficiency of the heart and lungs. When you have better cardiovascular fitness, you'll be able to think better, perform better, and have more energy in your day-to-day life. Principle number 3 is functional strength. This is the functional day-to-day movements that we would do, such as squatting, lunging, pressing, and pulling. This helps you move a lot more dynamically with a lot more strength. Principle number 4 is nutrition. The thing is, nutrition is different for everyone. So long as you stick to a couple of key principles such as the calories and protein, the rest is about tailoring a nutrition plan designed around you for what works best for you and your body. Principle number 5 is lifestyle. This is about the structure of how you live your life and how we can tweak that structure in order to keep this fitness journey sustainable for life. The key factors that we have to look at as well within lifestyle are your sleep patterns, stress management, social structure, and your environment. So if you want more help and support with your 12-week body transformational journey, then simply like and subscribe for more Fit Body Code content.